Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to add and customize navigation menus on Wix Studio. So let's get started. Now as you can see towards the right of it, you can see all of these different kinds of menus. Just click on any one of them and drag and drop them into your page. Now just click on that menu and click on manage menu, and now click on add. Now here you can choose your main pages, your dynamic and app pages, links, submenu titles and pegs menus. Now just choose your main pages and click on apply. Now over here on the right hand side, you can change the design of these menu. You can change up whether how they look normally or what happens when someone hovers over them. Now to reorder these numbers on the order, just click on the menu again and go to manage menu. Now you can drag and drop these around and change the position. To change the name, just click on the three dots and now click on the name and now click on rename and now just change the name. Now you can click on the three dots, and once you click on change link, you'll have the option where you want this item to link to. So once you click on done, it will be linked to that area. Now to add an item as a sub menu of the main item, now go to manage menu as shown before and now just click on it and move it towards the right a little bit until you see an indent on the left hand side, and it will be a subsection of the thing that is above it. Now once you click on the menu, the second icon, click on it. This is the menu layout, and now over here you can change how the menu looks and it comes out. And again you can design this the same way you designed the main menu on the right hand side. On the right hand side, change the responses behavior from relative width to fixed, so that when you change the screen size from a laptop to a tablet, it stays the same. Now from the home screen, we're going to use the hamburger menu. So on the left hand side, go to the layers section and now go to the drop downs until you get to the horizontal menu. Now just right click on it and make sure to hide it under the phone view. Now click on the plus icon on the top left hand side and now go into search and menus and go into menu and search, horizontal menus, hamburger menus, and now just drag and drop it over here. Now just customize it on the right hand side. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.